What is an IP phone? You know, a lot of folks out there may be looking at deploying a new phone system, and they're hearing this term IP phone. What does that really mean? Well, simply it means it's a phone that's plugging into my current network, and it's using the wires that I've already paid for, the switches I've already paid for, the routers I've already paid for. It's using that infrastructure to really expand my network. There's a few different kinds out there. There's what we call soft phones that are literally a piece of software that runs on my PC, and it's an IP phone that shares resources with my personal computer, and it actually works pretty good. This is great for small remote offices and small branches where I may not want to deploy a big phone. It's also great for your telecommuters out there who may be going from one city to another, and you don't want them paying for phone calls or cell calls and stuff. They can use their soft phone to connect to the internet through the VPN and get right back on your network, and you can have control of all those charges and stuff. There's also hardware IP phones that actually allow me to deliver services straight to this phone, and it plugs straight into the network. We can configure it from one central location. The great thing about an IP phone is that I have autonomous control over that device, and I can say what it needs, what it services. I can capture all the records, all the call accounting on it, and it works great. It's a really nice little device that we add to really extend our network out and take advantage of really what we've already paid for. And that's an advantage of any IP phone out there today, is I'm not billing twice. I'm not paying for a telephony infrastructure and then a data infrastructure. I'm bringing them all together, and I'm bringing that one charge on there. And that IP phone is a very specific design piece of software, specific design piece of hardware to take advantage of that, deliver services to me, and extend my reach and really save me a lot of cash. And truthfully, since it is on my IP network that runs data, I can push that data down the phone and really take my business to tons of different levels that I never could before. I'm Jimmy Ray Purser. Thanks for joining me today.